Hello, I'm Astronaut Alec, and today I'll show you how to make shrimp pasta. So for the recipe we'll need some red sauce. I use Bertolli's olive oil and garlic. We'll need some shrimp. I'm just making it for myself, so I'm thinking about 7 pieces. Some linguine, or whatever type of pasta you want to substitute. And then we'll need our seasoning, which is the Parmesan cheese and the salt and the garlic pepper. The first thing you want to do is get some water boiling to cook the shrimp in, and if you need to prepare the shrimp at all, you'll want to do that now. Now that the water is boiling, we're going to want to put our shrimp in there and let it boil 3 to 4 minutes. Now that the shrimp have cooked for about 3 minutes, we're going to take them out and set them aside. You'll want to get your water boiling again, and then you want to put in your desired amount of pasta. And then I'll push that down into the water. And you just follow the box on how long to cook your pasta till it's al dente. Now our pasta is done cooking. We're going to want to strain it and start putting in our sauce. So I put in some sauce. So now I'm going to want to put the sauce in and the shrimps, and then we'll mix it up and let it cook for a little bit longer to get all the flavors mixed together. At this stage is also when you'll want to put on your salt and pepper. And this is the complete shrimp pasta, so you can see it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.